Okay, so today, guys, we're going to be trying DQ's Blizzard of the Month. The Blizzard of the Month, friendly for February and for Valentine's Day, is the Red Velvet Cake Blizzard. We're going to give that a shot, and I'm going to give you guys a look here. Taking the lid off. It is a little soupy. I did have to have this delivered. I'm going to give you guys a closer look in a second. Stay tuned. Okay guys, this is a close-up here. I'm gonna get my spoon. Doesn't look too red, right? I don't know, maybe it's just the angle. Not too soupy. See the pieces, trying to get a piece of cake here. 1 second. Come on, where's a piece of cake? Oh, there we go. I think I kind of see it there. Okay guys, let's see if we can get you a more close up there, the cake. There we go. You can definitely taste the cream cheese. Just a slight hint of it though. Definitely get more of the cake kind of taste. Guys, I got this from Skip the Dishes. I don't know, it's a little warm here today, so that's why it's dripping. But yeah, it's still good. Drippy, drippy, drippy. Okay, one more bite here. I'm not gonna give my rating. Oh, that looks like a big piece of cake there. Definitely can taste the red velvet cake coming through in those pieces, and they're nice chunks too. I know it was probably hard to see, but they don't skimp on the size of the red velvet cake chunks in this for sure. I could definitely taste a hint of the cream cheese icing. Has a nice red velvet flavor. If you've never had it, if you're from Canada, it's kind of similar to Joe Louis snack cakes. Those of you in the US may not know what it is. It's basically red velvet cake covered in chocolate. Again, that kind of vibe, minus the chocolate, of course. Maybe get one for your Valentine. Let me know in the comments if you guys have a favorite Blizzard, if you tried this, what you think of it. And don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit that bell. Bye, everybody.